Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sonic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4-door courtesy lights, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.